Learning is a change in behavior which is caused by teaching, while teaching is the process of relaying facts and events in order for the person to learn. There are types of learning. Non-formal learning, which is short-term. Non-degree granting. These are planned set of learning experiences to develop specific competencies and held in training centers. Informal training. These are unplanned. These are incidental and accidental. Example, learning that if you come early at the bus station, you can get seated. Formal learning. This is schooling and long-term. These are deliberate and planned. It follows a definite pattern. It follows a linear curriculum. Example, elementary, high school, college. How does learning take place? Learning takes place in the nervous system. The system of the body involved in learning are the eyes, the nose, the tongue, the ears, and the sense of touch. We have the cerebrum, which is the thinking process, the brain, the optic nerve, which is responsible for the locomotive function, the cerebellum, which is responsible for the body function, the medulla oblongata, and the spinal cord, which takes care of reflex action. If there is a change in behavior, there is learning. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.